Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can finish the mushroom collector quest in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to start the quest, you need to go to the ancient Jungle Island and then you need to find this NPC, the Forager Jen, and then you're going to click on what are you doing out here, and also are you looking for any fish, and the quest will be started. And according to the quest, you need to collect 30 mushrooms. And then after you have collected all the mushrooms, you can go back to this NPC and you can click on I have found all your mushroom. And then this is the reward for this quest. You will get the mushroom lantern. Okay, and now let's start to find the mushroom. We need to find 30 mushroom, and it's spreaded around the map. Okay, the mushroom will be like this, and then you just need to keep searching for the mushroom to complete the quest. Okay, the mushroom has different color guys. There will be red mushroom, and then the purple one, and yeah, just search around the map. Okay, and right here, and after you collect all the mushrooms, you just need to go back to the NPC and you will get your reward. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the mushroom collector quest in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.